WizKids TV. Today we're going to learn how to use a magnifying glass. A magnifying glass is something that makes everything look super big. It's a piece of glass that magnifies what you're looking at. Inside we have a puppy dog. And when we put the magnifying glass, he looks very big and very detailed. Look at the puppy dog inside the magnifying glass. Look how small his face looks. But when we use this, he looks very big. Can you see his nose? And his eyes? And look at his fur. That's what a magnifying glass does. It magnifies what you're looking at. Magnifies means it gets bigger. Do you see the difference? Small, big. Small, big. We have some bugs here and we're going to put them in a cup. Are you ready? We're going to put this bug inside. Do you see what it looks like? It's very small. And now we're going to put the magnifying glass on top. Look how big it looks now. Small, big. Can you see the antennas and his arms and legs? That's super cool. Let's do another one. Let's do a dinosaur. Ready? Look how big he looks. Do you know what dinosaur this is? A Stegosaurus, yes. Let's make it big. He looks so big. Let's do another one. Shall we put this? It's a frog. Let's put the frog inside the cup. Now it looks big. Let's shake it. Look at the face. Let's do another one. Let's put the spider inside. Are you ready to look at the spider? Look how big it looks. It's so big. Let's give it a shake. Let's do another one. Let's put the beetle inside. Look at the beetle. Let's shake it. Let's get it to flip over. There we go. Oh, look at its face. Let's do another one. Let's put the fly inside. Look at the fly's wings. And look at the antennas. Let's give it a shake. It's so big. Let's see what else we have. We have another frog. Look how big the frog looks. That's so cool. Let's see what else we have. We have a orange beetle. Let's look at it. Look how big it looks. Shall we shake it? That's so cool. We have one more. We have a blue beetle. Let's look at the blue beetle. That's so big. Let's give it a shake. That was so much fun. That's the end of today's video. I'm glad you had fun with me. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fun videos. We will see you in the next one. Goodbye.